Ooh, that chicken looks good, Mother.
It is good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I am making some oven baked jerk chicken. So stay tuned if you're interested.
Oh, I'm interested.
You're gonna love it.
It's the Jamaican mother's youngest daughter, and I am honored to be doing this voiceover with you today, Mother. Ooh, chicken look clean and pretty. So these are all the ingredients?
These are all the ingredients. Chicken is clean because you have to wash it with vinegar and lemon juice.
That's law, okay, guys? That's law. Oh, is that a jalapeno pepper?
It is, and I'm going to use Scotch Bonnet too.
So it's gonna be hot.
Very.
Please adjust the recipe as always for what you can handle, guys. But this is how Mother does it. All right. So chopping up the sweet peppers. So it's red, orange, green, scallion, jalapeno pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic. Got pimento seeds in there. I see the all-purpose seasoning in the background and the jerk seasoning.
And I'm gonna mix everything together. Everything.
Ooh.
See, I'm cutting it there.
It's so like small. So
It have to be small.
okay, it looks good. All right, so I mean now Mother is scoring the chicken in how would you say that in Pato?
In Jamaica, we say, "I core the chicken."
Core it or
Core it, I stab up the chicken, you know.
you guys get
Yeah.
the point. All right, so you're gonna do that to allow for all the seasonings to really get in there.
Yes, all the seasoning have to be in it because when you put it in the oven, you want to make sure it have everything. So I'm stabbing it there. I'm rubbing up the seasoning. I'm putting everything in it. Look at that now. Everything is gonna go in it.
Wow. Woo! My nose is running already. Oh my gosh. Can you guys smell that? So now we're gonna stuff all of this jerk seasoning into the chicken, okay? No seasoning left behind, if you know what I mean. Wow. And so you keep the skin on, Mother?
You have to keep the skin on when you're jerking chicken because it keeps the chicken moist. So look at that now, everything. So when you bake it, you put it in the oven and you're ready. When you're ready to eat it, oh my God, up to the bone, good. You know, look at that.
All right, so now Mother's gonna put it away to marinate in the refrigerator for how many hours?
I'm gonna put it in there for 24 hours.
Woo! If you guys saw the oxtail video, if you haven't seen the oxtail video, matter of fact, pause this video and go watch that right now because y'all know it was team 48 hours over there. All right, so this one is gonna get marinated for 24 hours.
24.
Wow, that's gonna be flavorful down to the
Flavorful.
bone.
To the bone, I'm telling you.
Spraying the pan. Okay, so when you're putting it in there now on the pan, you're taking off all the chopped seasonings.
All the chopped seasoning, yes. I take it off.
Why?
I take it off because I'm gonna use the seasoning that I take off and I'm gonna make a sauce with that.
Oh, okay. So you're gonna boil that up in a saucepan.
In a saucepan, yes.
See, all that's gonna go in a saucepan, guys,
Yes.
to make the jerk. See the jerk sauce? When it gets boiled,
Yes.
that's how it looks. And so this chicken now has been baking for an hour. Do you see all of that gravy? Mother, you were saying you could use that gravy to make white rice or to make mashed potatoes.
Yes, you can use the gravy from the chicken and, you know, like a broth.
Yeah, chicken stock.
Yes.
You know?
You can make white rice with it when you're cooking yellow rice. Whatever, mashed potato.
So look at that chicken now. It's been in the oven for about an hour and a half at this point.
Yes.
And so now is
I'm
when
putting all the seasoning in it that I boiled back, the jerk sauce, I'm putting it on it now. So, you know, to make it really, really tasty and good.
It looks so good. I could really just yam it through the screen.
Yeah, I have to do it because a lot of people request that and say, Mother, you need to make some jerk chicken in the oven. We don't want to go outside. We want the jerky in the oven. So
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
one love.